Looking for the best Copper Chef sets? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Copper Chef sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Copper Chef 5-piece cookware set. Pros: a 9.5-inch pan and square fry pan complete with lids, steam rack, fry basket and cookbook make this complete set a good choice for preparing mid-sized meals. Cons: some complained about food sticking after repeated use. This issue was noted more frequently with the fry pan than the deep pan. Bottom line: if you don't need or like cooking with extra large pans, this set is comprised of mid-sized pans that offer the same features as other sets by the brand. At number 2, Copper Chef 2-pack square fry pans. Pros: 2 square pans, 9 and 9.5 inches, with sturdy handles. Versatile sizes are perfect for numerous dishes and various portion sizes. Affordably priced. Cons: while some owners are impressed with how easy they clean up, others report sticking. They don't come with lids. Bottom line: though you have to purchase lids separately, this set of 2 pans is a solid deal for the price and the versatility they offer for a variety of cooking needs. At number 1, Copper Chef 11 inches XL 7-piece cookware set. Pros: a popular set thanks to the generous cooking capacity of the 2 pans that are ideal for preparing large meals. Set includes an 11-inch deep square pan and a 12-inch round pan with tempered glass lids. Steam rack, fry basket, and recipe book add to the set's versatility. Cons: due to its size, the round pan tends to cook a bit unevenly, hotter in the middle than around the diameter of the pan. A few reports of food sticking. Bottom line: offers the brand's healthy, fast cooking surfaces in a set designed to prepare ample portions and numerous types of dishes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.